Hey everyone, Chase Downs from Gather. You may be having quite a few trainings on how to up your aftercare game at your funeral home business. And so one thing that we try to pay attention to with Gather is we wanted to make aftercare a huge part of what you offer as value to the families that you serve. So today I want to show you just how aftercare tasks in Gather work and how easy we've made the process for both your staff and the families. So let's click into Gus's case, for example. This will pull up all of the tasks that are for his case, both aftercare and standard. We're going to look at aftercare in particular. Currently, as you can see up here, we are in director view. We're going to go ahead and switch to family view so you can see what the families see once they're invited to log in together and complete some of the aftercare tasks themselves. So this is kind of what the family will see in the Gather platform. They will see aftercare tasks such as freeze Gus's credit, close Gus's social media, cancel online accounts, find life insurance money, and much more. This friendly interface allows families to have a quick aftercare guide that you can fully configure to whatever you want. So if you want to include an extra aftercare task for the family to leave a review for your business and provide the link, you absolutely can. But the nice part about some of these tasks that are already configured into the case is that we provide everything that you need in order to go ahead and complete it. So, or the family themselves. So with cancel Gus's online accounts, for example, let's say that he had a Netflix account and Margot, his wife, is unable to actually access the online account. She would hit the Get Started button, click on Close Gus's Netflix account, and answer a few prompted questions. From there, Gather will actually generate an email template that she can automatically send to the legal Netflix team to get the account canceled for Gus. So again, this is just a very simple way for people to be able to use the aftercare tasks in Gather and fully streamline that process and make sure that it's not something that's forgotten about. So if you have any additional questions about getting started with Gather's case management platform today, or if you would like to see a full demo, please visit our website at www.gather.app.